Stop scrolling. Everything you thought you knew about your career is about to be wiped out by 2026. Seriously. The world of work is shifting faster than anyone expected, and the rules you grew up with are about to be rewritten. If you think your job is safe, think again. This isn't just another headline. This is a wake-up call for every professional, student, and dreamer out there. The next few years will redefine what it means to have a career, and the changes are coming whether you're ready or not. So, buckle up as we dive into the future of work and what you need to know to survive and thrive. We are standing at the absolute edge of the biggest job market collapse in human history, and nobody is ready. The landscape is shifting beneath our feet, and the traditional safety nets are vanishing. Companies are restructuring, industries are automating, and the jobs we once thought were untouchable are suddenly at risk. This isn't just about losing jobs. It's about a fundamental transformation in how value is created and who gets to participate. As we look ahead, it's clear that the old playbook no longer applies. The question is, are you prepared for what comes next? Remember when they said AI would only take the boring, repetitive, low-paying jobs? Yeah, that was a massive lie. By 2026, AI isn't just crunching numbers. It's writing hit songs, diagnosing rare diseases, and literally running Fortune 500 companies. The myth that only entry-level work is at risk has been shattered. Now, even the most creative and high-stakes professions are being transformed by artificial intelligence. If you thought your unique skills would keep you safe, it's time to rethink everything. The future belongs to those who adapt, not those who cling to outdated beliefs. Lawyers, an AI paralegal can now review 10,000 complex contracts in exactly 3 seconds, flawlessly. Coders, software engineers are turning into prompt directors. The AI writes the code, you just tell it what to dream up. And it's not just tech. Highly paid consultants, elite graphic designers, even specialized doctors are facing direct AI replacements. The speed and accuracy of AI are rewriting the rules for what it means to be an expert. No matter how specialized your field, the game is changing and fast. Wait until you hear this. The World Economic Forum warned of millions of jobs disappearing, but the timeline just violently accelerated. Experts originally said 2030 was the deadline. Now, the data points straight to 2026 as the point of no return. The window to prepare is shrinking, and the urgency is real. If you've been waiting for a sign to upskill or pivot, this is it. The future is arriving faster than anyone predicted, and the consequences will be felt across every industry and every household. You're probably panicking right now. You're asking, what happens to me? How do I even pay my rent? Take a breath. Because where there is massive, earth-shaking disruption, there is unbelievable, life-changing opportunity. The end of traditional jobs doesn't mean the end of making money. It means the birth of the hyper-creator economy. In this new world, the most valuable skill isn't a fancy college degree. It's AI fluency. Period. Imagine getting paid as a synthetic media architect or a personal AI optimizer. The future is wide open for those who are ready to learn, adapt, and lead. The end of traditional jobs is not the end of your earning potential. Instead, it marks the birth of the hyper-creator economy. In 2026, the most valuable skill on earth isn't a fancy college degree, it's AI fluency. Period. Imagine getting paid as a synthetic media architect or a personal AI optimizer. These are roles that didn't exist a few years ago, but now they're at the forefront of the new economy. The people who thrive will be those who learn to work with AI, not against it. The future is being written right now. Will you be part of it?